My name is Brian Thibodeau, and I'm a PhD candidate at UMass Amherst. And I've been part of the uBot-5 project here for several years, where we're working on building a mobile manipulation platform that's suitable for research into a lot of different areas. One of the main goals is to be able to research the sort of tasks and capabilities necessary for personal and in-home robotics. So to start building up the knowledge and the sort of controls technology to do all of the very basic pick-and-place tasks that are critical for any sort of in-home service robotics application. And then also to study sort of dynamics and embodiment, so that's where what I was talking about with the throwing comes in. So to be able to study how to take advantage of the dynamically stable nature of the platform to do sort of highly energetic, fast movements like throwing, and to do them better than the statically stable equivalent platform could. We've already done some work with more sort of static motions like pushing, showing that a dynamically stable platform like this can generate greater pushing forces than a sort of statically stable equivalent with a similar footprint. So lots of building, lots of getting the hardware and software infrastructure up, and we expect to be doing a lot more controls work on it soon, so seeing a lot more behaviors and applications out of it. Well, so the push-up, besides being kind of a fun trick to watch, for a robot to be truly useful and for a dynamically stable robot to be truly useful in an unstructured environment, you just have to accept that at some point something's going to knock it over. And we get knocked over sometimes and we can get back up. And that was just a requirement that we had for if we were going to have a dynamically stable platform that we were going to work on and work towards real-world applications on, it had to be able to get back up on its own. So that's just a proof of concept that it's very capable of getting back up to an upright position from a prone position. The other interesting behavior is we have the throwing, which we have videos of today. We don't have a live demo of that. There are other things that are in progress. A lot of grasping and manipulation work. We can drive around, pick up objects, carry them around, put them down, and that's all really very teleoperated right now, and we're working on ways to automate those processes, or to, at first at least, use partial autonomy to help the teleoperator. When you have to control each joint individually, or pairs of joints with joysticks, it's very difficult to get anything done. But if you can hit a button and tell the robot to attempt to grasp on the object in front of it, and then tell it to lift, you're now sort of in the realm of where a human teleoperator can easily do useful things with the robot. So we're trying to get there.